If you're struggling with Captcha every time you log into EverWebinar, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to remove Captcha from your EverWebinar login in just a few simple steps so you can access your account without those pesky interruptions. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a way you can use EverWebinar for free, plus exclusive bonuses, but only if you stay until the end. Now, let's dive into the main points. First things first, Captcha is a security measure designed to protect your account from bots. However, it can become annoying, especially when you're trying to quickly access your EverWebinar dashboard. Removing Captcha from the login process is possible, but it requires making adjustments in your account settings. Next thing, check your browser. Sometimes Captcha appears because the system detects that your browser is behaving in a suspicious way, like if it's configured to block cookies or has incorrect time zone settings. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies, and then try logging in again to see if that resolves the issue. It's an easy first step and might save you time if it works. The third thing you need to know is that your IP address might be triggering Captcha. If you're using a VPN or your IP is frequently changing, EverWebinar might flag it as suspicious, leading to a Captcha request. Try disabling your VPN or switching to a stable IP address and see if that removes the Captcha prompt. The fourth thing to check is your EverWebinar account settings. If you have a high level of security enabled, it could be adding unnecessary verification steps, like Captcha. Head over to your EverWebinar account settings, navigate to the security section, and review your security level. Lowering the security settings can help reduce unnecessary login hurdles. Next thing, try enabling the Remember Me option when you log in. This will store your credentials and might help bypass Captcha if it recognizes your device. It's a quick way to streamline the login process if you regularly access EverWebinar from the same computer or device. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reach out to EverWebinar's support team. They can help troubleshoot and ensure your account isn't being flagged for any unusual activity. Sometimes there are issues specific to your account, and their support team will be able to resolve the problem directly. Remember, if you're tired of dealing with login issues, or you're just looking for an easier way to handle webinars, you can try EverWebinar for free. Just click the first link in the description below for an exclusive extended free trial along with some additional bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So, to wrap it up, remove Captcha by adjusting your browser, checking your IP, adjusting your account security settings, enabling Remember Me, or contacting EverWebinar's support if all else fails. If you're ready to give it a shot, don't forget to check out the link for a free trial and extra bonuses. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother EverWebinar experience.